There are some exclusive blocks in Minecraft Education, and chalkboards are one of them. And chalkboards are really a collection of 3 different blocks that are distinguished primarily because of their size. And these are great for educators to communicate and share information with their students in the game, or for students to actively construct and share their knowledge with their teacher or with each other in a multiplayer collaborative world where everybody can even contribute to them. So let's go ahead and add those and check them out. I'm going to open up my inventory. I'm currently in creative mode, but I'm going to add the smallest one, and that's called a slate. And let's go ahead and add the next one, and it's called a poster. And the largest one is a board. So adding each of these, let's go ahead and check them out, where I'm going to add a slate. And a slate is a 1x1 block that can hold about 70 characters. And let's look at the next one here, and that is a poster. And a poster is a 2x1 block, and it can hold about 200 characters. And then we have our largest one, and that is a board. Now, a board is a 2x3 block, and it can hold about 800 characters. And you'll notice that there's this locked and unlocked toggle at the bottom. This is if you want it so that others cannot edit them, you would have it locked. If you want others to contribute, add to it, if you're on a multiplayer world, you could unlock them and they could document and share information there too. So you can put boards, slates, posters, boards within the ground, or you could add them onto walls. And so let's go ahead and add a slate right here. Let's add a poster right here, and let's come down here and add a board and see that each of these can be on a wall or put into the ground to share information within Minecraft Education. Enjoy! There's more to learn. Check out our Minecraft Teacher Academy courses and other learning opportunities at aka.ms/MC Get Trained.